Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here's information about online seminar and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible, at least to the extent allowed by law, donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Tanner takes out a loan today and repays the loan with 8 level annual payments, with the first payment 1 year from today. The payments are calculated based on an annual effective interest rate of 4.75%. The principal portion of the fifth payment is $699.68. Calculate the total amount of interest paid on this loan. And here's the solution. Let us write P for the level annual payment for this loan and L for the loan amount. L must be equal to P A angle N, or P times 1 minus V to the nth over I, so that the interest portions of the payments are P times 1 minus V to the nth, P times 1 minus V to the n minus 1, so on, and the last one is P times 1 minus V. This is something actually that you should memorize for the test. And the principal portions of the payments are P times V to the nth, P times V to the n minus 1, and so on, and the last one is P times V. You should absolutely remember that the ratio of two consecutive principal payments is V, or 1 plus I if you divide in the opposite order, and that the principal portion of payment number K is P times V to the n minus K minus 1. Since we are given that n is 8 and the principal portion of the fifth payment is 699.68, we have 699.68 is equal to P times V to the power 8 minus 5 minus 1, so P divided by 1.0475 to the power 8 minus 5 minus 1. That's the same as P over 1.0475 to the fourth, so that P is equal to 699.68 times 1.0475 to the fourth, and that's approximately 842.39, so that's the payment amount on this loan. The total amount of interest paid on the loan is in general NP minus L, so all the payments combined minus the amount of the loan, that difference is the interest, which should be very intuitive, of course, but you can actually derive that formula by adding up on all the interest payments, but there's really no need. It's kind of obvious. I'm saying no need to derive it, even though the derivation is all correct here. We can find the amount of the loan as P A angle N, but we also know that the interest on the first payment equals I times L, while we know it also to be P times 1 minus V to the nth, or in this case, P times 1 minus 1.0475 to the negative 8, so P minus P times 1.0475 to the minus 8. But we can actually calculate the principal repaid in the first payment as P times 1.0475 to the minus 8, which is P over 1.0475 to the fourth times 1.0475 to the minus 4. And we know that first expression to be 699.68, so this is 699.68 times 1.0475 to the minus fourth, and that's 581.14. Therefore, the interest in the first payment is the payment minus that, so 261.25, and that 261.25 is 4.75% of L, so that L is equal to 261.25 over 0.0475, and that's 5,500. Therefore, the total amount of interest paid is 8 payments of 842.38, so 8 times 0.39, minus 5,500, and that's equal to 1,239.12, which is answer A. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.